Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that riding an e-bike for your daily 20-mile commute can actually save you hundreds of dollars a month while keeping you fitter and happier? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving into the top best e-bikes for your daily commute that you can grab right now on Amazon. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out and see which one suits you best. Let's jump straight into it. On number 6, 1000-watt folding electric bike, 48 volts, 20 ampere hour large removable battery, 30 plus miles per hour, 80 miles max range, 20-inch fat tire e-bike for adults. This folding powerhouse is built for urban commuters who crave speed, range, and portability, all in one sleek package. The standout feature is its 1000-watt peak motor that rockets up to 30 plus miles per hour, while its massive 48-volt, 20 amp-hour battery pushes you a remarkable 80 miles on a single charge, perfect for long commutes or multi-day adventures. But what really makes this bike special is the folding mechanism, letting you slip it under your desk, into your apartment, or even in a car trunk, something most 1000-watt e-bikes simply can't do. Compared to number 5, which doubles the peak power, this bike sacrifices a bit of raw muscle for the ultimate in portability and urban practicality. The 20-inch fat tires give stability across city streets and light off-road patches, while the folding hinges demand occasional maintenance to stay in peak condition. It's heavier than standard e-bikes, yes, but the trade-off is unbeatable convenience. Regulatory-wise, the 30 plus miles per hour top speed is something to be mindful of, but for those prioritizing portability without sacrificing range, this bike is a clear winner. What do you think? Does folding power appeal to you? On number 5, electric bike for adults, 2000 watts / 1500 watts. Peak motor, 32/28 miles per hour. Top speed, up to 55 to 80 miles range. 20 inches / 16 inches. Fat tire, 48-volt removable battery. If raw power and off-road capability are your top priorities, this e-bike is a monster. Its 2000-watt peak motor effortlessly handles steep hills and challenging trails, hitting top speeds of 32 miles per hour in adrenaline-pumping fashion. The 48-volt removable battery gives you 55 to 80 miles, making it ideal for both urban commutes and adventurous excursions. But unlike the 1000-watt folding bike, there's no compact folding frame, so portability takes a back seat. Riders will love the torque and agility delivered by the fat 20-inch or 16-inch tires, perfect for off-road thrill seekers who want to tackle dirt, sand, or uneven trails. In comparison to the 1000-watt folder, you get double the peak power and slightly more speed, but you sacrifice storage convenience and add regulatory complexity, since most regions restrict 2000-watt motors on public paths. While the 1000-watt folding e-bike may suit city dwellers and apartment owners, this one is for hardcore riders, thrill seekers, and those commuting in hilly or rugged terrain. The battery is removable for easy charging, and the bike's durable construction keeps it stable under extreme stress. In short, if performance dominates your checklist over portability, this e-bike is the ultimate choice. Which would you pick, compact city convenience or untamed power? On number 4, electric bike 20 inches by 4.0 with 1000 watts. Brushless motor, unlockable rage mode, 48 volts, 34 amp hours, dual batteries, 31 miles per hour, 120 miles long range, 7-speed UL certified. Now, here's a game changer for those obsessed with distance. This 1,000-watt dual battery e-bike offers an extraordinary 120-mile range, easily outpacing the competition, including the 1,000-watt single battery models at numbers 6 and 2. With the top speed hitting 31 miles per hour and an unlockable rage mode for power bursts, this bike blends practical commuting with occasional thrill rides. The 20-inch by 4.0 fat tires ensure stability over any terrain, while the 7-speed mechanical gearing adds extra versatility. The UL certification brings peace of mind, guaranteeing electrical safety that most competitors lack. Compared to number 5, this model trades some peak power for staggering range and certified safety, while outperforming the 750-watt Explorer at number 1 in pure distance capability. The removable dual batteries may add weight and cost, but if you need a commuter that can handle multi-day journeys without recharging, this is unmatched. In real-world use, this bike is a powerhouse that balances speed, endurance, and safety, making it ideal for serious commuters, delivery riders, and e-bike explorers who don't want to compromise on mileage. Honestly, for anyone who measures e-bikes in miles rather than mph, this one takes the crown. Would you go for extreme range over ultimate portability? On number 3, 750-watt peak electric bike, 20-inch fat tire, 48 volts, 13 ampere-hour battery, max 25 miles per hour, full suspension, 35-plus miles range. Comfort meets versatility in this full suspension cruiser, perfect for riders who deal with rough roads or enjoy occasional trail riding. The 750-watt motor is mild, yet sufficient for 25 miles per hour top. Speeds. While the 48-volt 13 ampere-hour battery gives a dependable 35-plus miles of range, less than the dual battery model at number 4, but more than adequate for standard city commuting. Its standout feature is the full suspension setup with 20-inch fat tires, which dramatically improves ride quality across snow, sand, and uneven roads, something the folding models at numbers 6 and 2 can't match. While it doesn't deliver the blistering speed of the 2,000-watt e-bike at number 5 or the 1,000-watt dual battery bike at number 4, it balances comfort, moderate power, and all-terrain stability at a mainstream price. Compared to the Explorer at number 1, it offers slightly more range than the 13 ampere-hour battery alone can handle efficiently, but at the expense of legal speed compliance, since the peak 25 miles per hour is just within limits. This bike is perfect for recreational riders, urban commuters facing bumpy streets, and those who prioritize comfort over raw speed or extreme mileage. Would you choose comfort and smoothness over a high-speed thrill? On number 2, 1,000-watt folding electric bike, 48-volt 20.8 amp-hour battery, 30-plus miles per hour, 80 miles max range. Essentially a sibling to number 6, this 1,000-watt folding bike shines with the perfect combination of portability and power. Its 30-plus miles per hour top speed and 48-volt 20.8 amp-hour battery make it capable of tackling longer commutes than the 750-watt Explorer, yet with the added convenience of a folding frame, something the 2,000-watt model at number 5 cannot compete with. Fat tires provide stability, while the removable battery allows indoor charging for apartment dwellers or RV owners. Compared to number 6, it offers almost identical specifications, but with minor improvements in battery efficiency and frame design. The trade-offs remain consistent. Heavier weight due to battery and folding mechanics, no full suspension for extreme comfort, and legal considerations for high speed. For urban commuters who value storage space and long-range capability without giving up speed, this bike is an unbeatable choice. Do you prioritize commuting efficiency over off-road capability? On number wraps up our deep dive into the best e-bikes for your daily 20-mile commute. All the links are in the description, so check them out and see which one fits your lifestyle perfectly. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, comment with your favorite pick, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome e-bike insights. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.